Good morning. Chapter 3, the Northern Plains. In this chapter we will study about the states lying in the Northern Plains and about the three basins Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Types of crops grown, language spoken, the dresses worn, the festivals celebrated by the people living in these states. A plain is a large, flat area of fertile land. A large part of northern India is flat and fertile. This area is known as Northern Plain. The Northern Plain lie to the south of the Himalayan mountain and run from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Many rivers that originate in the Himalaya mountain flow through these plains. These rivers carry broken pieces of rock, sand and silt along with them. The fine silt called alluvium is deposited along the river banks. The area that gets watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. The three divisions of the northern plains are the Satluj river basin, the Brahmaputra river basin and the Ganga river basin. The Satluj river basin. The western part of the plain around the river Satluj is called the Satluj basin. Beas is the main tributary of Satluj. A tributary is a small river that flows into a large river. The states of Punjab and Haryana get watered by the Satluj and its tributaries. Wheat is the main crop of this region. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built across the river Satluj. Dam is a wall built across the river to hold the water and forms a lake behind it. And it provides water for irrigation and it provides hydroelectricity also. The Satluj and Beas river join the Indus river in Pakistan. Now the Ganga river basin, it lies to the east of the Satluj basin. Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal lie in this basin. The river Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier. The Yamuna is the main tributary of river Ganga. It joins the Ganga at Prayagraj. The place where Yamuna joins Ganga is called Sangam. The Ganga enters the plain at Haridwar. River Ganga flow through Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, West Bengal. In West Bengal, it splits into two branches. One branch enters Bangladesh, where it is known as Padma. The other branch flows through West Bengal, is known as Hooghly River. The Brahmaputra river basin. The Brahmaputra basin lies in Assam. River Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is called the Sangpo. It enters India from the east. It flows through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and enters Bangladesh. Brahmaputra and Ganga form the largest delta called the Sundarban Delta before they flow into the Bay of Bengal. A delta is a triangular shaped land formed where a river splits into many smaller rivers before it flows into the sea. Life in the Satluj basin. The river Satluj flows through the states of Punjab, Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital of both these states. Most of the people are farmers. They use scientific and modern ways of farming. Wheat, rice, oilseeds and sugarcane are the main crops of this region. Dairy farming is another important profession of the region. Haryanvi, Punjabi, and Hindi are the main languages spoken. The main festivals are Lohri, Baisakhi, Gurupurab. Bhangra and Gidda are the folk dances performed by men and women respectively. Life in the Ganga Basin. New Delhi, UP, West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand falls in the basin. West Bengal. West Bengal is famous for rice and jute production. Kolkata is the capital city. People speak Bangla and are fond of art and music. Durga Puja is the main festival of West Bengal. Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. The state is known for its weaver. The main crops grown here are sugarcane, rice, wheat, pulses, etc. People speak Hindi and Urdu. They celebrate Holi, Diwali, Dussehra and Eid. New Delhi. It is the capital of India. The famous monuments of Delhi are Qutub Minar, Red Fort and India Gate. Bihar. Its capital is Patna. People speak Hindi, Bhojpuri, Maithili and Urdu. Rice is the main crop, but wheat, sugarcane and jute are also grown here. Chhath, Tej, Diwali and Dussehra are the main festival of Bihar. Jharkhand. Its capital is Ranchi. The Damodar river flows through Jharkhand. Life in Brahmaputra Basin. Assam and Arunachal Pradesh fall in this basin. Assam. Its capital is Dispur. It is the largest producer of tea, rice and jute are the major crops. Bihu is the main festival of the state. Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. The state is famous for its bamboo and cane handicraft. Main crops grown here are rice, wheat, maize and millets. Important festivals celebrated here are Choikor, Losar, Torgya and Monpa. Now I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.